and welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin Treasury firm Strive has added 72 BTC for its holdings using proceeds from exercised traditional warrants linked to its earlier PIPE financing. According to an 8K filing, the company purchased 72.3 BTC for $8.26 million, averaging $114,303 per coin. This latest acquisition lifts Strive's total Bitcoin holdings to 5,958 BTC worth $691.3 million at an average cost of $116,032 per Bitcoin. The fresh purchase was funded through the exercise of 6.11 million warrants at $1.35 per share, generating $8.26 million in proceeds. OceanPal Incorporation, a Nasdaq-listed firm, has raised $120 million through a private equity deal to launch SovereignAI, a subsidiary focused on Near protocol and AI infrastructure. The new company plans to acquire up to 10% of Near's token supply, supported by the Near Foundation. The move aims to create a crypto treasury model integrating AI and blockchain. New appointments include Sal Ternello as co-CEO and David Schweid as COO, while Near's Ilya Polosikhin joins the advisory board alongside leaders from OpenAI and Fabric Ventures. Bitwise Asset Management launched its spot Solana ETF, recording $69.5 million in first-day inflows. The ETF offers full exposure to spot SOL with staking enabled through Helios-powered infrastructure. BSOL's launch marks the first US ETF combining spot Solana exposure and staking yield, while trading volumes were modest compared to Ether ETF debuts. The product highlights institutional interest in Solana's growing ecosystem and staking rewards, positioning Bitwise as an early mover in Solana-based exchange-traded products. SharpLink Gaming has unveiled a plan to deploy $200 million worth of Ether on Consensus Linea Layer 2 network over multiple years. The company aims to make its Ether treasury more productive through staking, restaking, and yield programs using Ether.fi and Egan Cloud. Custody and execution will be handled by Anchorage Digital Bank, ensuring institutional-grade security. SharpLink said Linea's ZK EVM design offers faster settlement and lower fees while maintaining full Ethereum compatibility, a combination ideal for large-scale compliant on-chain treasury management. Trump Media and Technology Group, parent of Truth Social, is entering the prediction market space through a partnership with Crypto.com, a CFTC-registered exchange. The new feature, Truth Predict, launches today, allowing users to bet on real-world assets, events like elections, sports, and commodities directly within Truth Social. TMTG, publicly traded under DJT, aims to leverage its politically active user base to expand beyond ads and subscriptions. CEO Devin Nunes said the initiative seeks to democratize information and turn free speech into actionable foresight. Ethereum developers have completed the final test for the upcoming Fusaka upgrade on the Hoodi testnet, marking the last step before mainnet activation. The upgrade, following Pectra, introduces Peer DAS, which lets validators check smaller data segments instead of full blobs, reducing bandwidth and cost. With successful trials on Holsky, Sepolia, and Hoodi, the Fusaka hard fork could go live as early as November 28th or possibly December 3rd, according to Ethereum Foundation timelines. The next major upgrade, Glamsterdam, is already in early development. Western Union plans to issue a stablecoin for its 100 million user network, marking a major step toward blockchain-based payments. The US dollar payment token will be launched in partnership with Anchorage Digital, a federally regulated digital asset bank, and will operate on the Solana blockchain. CEO Devin said the move will deliver faster, cheaper, and more inclusive transactions worldwide. Western Union joins the wave of financial institutions adopting stablecoins, a $300 billion market gaining clearer US regulation under the new Genius Act. Securitize, a leader in asset tokenization, plans to go public through a SPAC merger with Cantor Equity Partners II at a $1.25 billion valuation. The firm will list on Nasdaq under the ticker SECZ and tokenize its own equity for blockchain-based trading. Backers ARK Invest, BlackRock, and Morgan Stanley will retain their stakes, while the deal includes $225 million in PIPE funding led by ARK and Parafi Capital. Securitize already manages $4.5 billion in tokenized securities for clients like BlackRock, Apollo, and VanEck. Japan-based Metaplanet, Asia's largest public Bitcoin holder, will repurchase up to 150 million shares using a $500 million credit facility secured by Bitcoin. The buyback, equal to 13.13% of total shares, runs through October 2026 and aims to enhance BTC yield, the firm's metric for Bitcoin accumulation per share. Metaplanet holds 30,823 BTC worth $3.5 billion and remains committed to its goal of acquiring 210,000 BTC by 2027 despite market volatility and valuation declines. Visa plans to expand support for stablecoins across 4 additional blockchains, deepening its presence in the crypto payments ecosystem. CEO Ryan McNerney told investors the company sees strong momentum in stablecoin usage, having facilitated $140 billion in crypto flows since 2020. Visa already supports USDC, Eurocoin, PayPal USD, and Global Dollar on Ethereum, Solana, Stellar, and Avalanche. The new expansion, McNerney said, will further integrate stablecoin settlement options for banks and cross-border transactions. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Keep watching $3 TV.